Stuck on you, been a pull too long, I guess it's time for me to come home. Guess I'm on my way. It's hard to see.
So hello guys, nakaka 3 hours na tayo ng basking. So buhay pa rin yung ating BP 160. So try nating mag-record ng ilang kanta. Yo, what's up mga kabirak? So nandito nga tayo ngayon sa Robinson. So ito yung first time na gagamitin natin yung full music sa ating basking gig. So ito siya. Ayan. So yan yung first time natin gagamitin siya na battery operated. Tingnan natin kung ilang oras yung itatagal niya dito sa basking event natin. So yun, mamaya video ko din kung ano yung output ng sounds. See you later.
Iba talaga ang diwa ng Pasko, basta't kayo'y kasama ko. Tuwa't saya sa bawat puso ngayong araw ng Pasko. Ngayong Pasko, nais ko kayo'y narito. Hindi ko sana ay magkatotoo kahit na ngayong Pasko. The night I need your sweet caress, hold me in the darkness. The night you calm my restlessness, you relieve my sadness. Stuck on you, been a pull too long, I guess it's time for me to come home. Guess I'm on my way. It's hard to see that a woman like you, do you understand? Do you feel the same? Am I only dreaming? Is this burning an eternal begging? I believe. Honey, why you calling me so late? It's kinda hard to talk right now. Honey, are you crying? Is everything okay? Gotta whisper 'cause it can't be too loud. Well, my girl's in. All my life was so paper. Once playing your wine, till you move with your pen, changing move now and then, till the balance was right. Then you added some music. Every note was was in place. Everybody could see all the changes in me. I look on my face, and you decorated my life. Sana ngayong Pasko, maalala mo pa rin ako. Hinahanap ka na pag-ibig mo. Kahit wala ka na, nakangarap at umaasa pa rin ako muling makita ka. Thank you so much sa Robinsons Wellness. Muli po mga boss. Maraming salamat po sa mga nagbigay ng tibig pagmamahalan. Going to my last song, so thank you so much po. Mag-ingat po tayo lahat sa pag-uwi. Maraming salamat. Very, 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 very Christmas. Happy New Year too. Very, 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 very Christmas. Happy New Year too. Very, 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 very Christmas. Happy New Year too. Very, 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 very Christmas. Happy New Year too.
So yun guys, tapos na yung ating basking. So umabot tayo ng 3 and 15 minutes. So mahaba na rin yun para sa isang cool music. So meron pa siyang ilang 2 bars. May 2 bars pa siya bago siya malobas. So sobrang sulit na rin to kasi pagka magbabasking ka tapos walang power outlet, sakto-sakto to sa inyo. So yun lang. See you sa susunod.